Hey everyone! We will talk about how to handle errors in Google Sheets. One of the most commonly used formulas to handle errors is the if-error formula. It is a function that lets us replace errors with custom outputs in our formula and make other calculation formulas work and have a cleaner spreadsheet. An is-error is a function to let us examine a value and return a Boolean value, whether it's true or false. We will dive into that later. We will talk about the if-error function first. We have a table of students and scores of Test A, and we have another table of Test B. So first, we want to look up the score of Test B in this table. There is a score showing NA, which means error. Let's calculate the total score also. Now we can see there's a score showing error, and its total is also in error, because in Test B, there is an error in Lisa's score. In this case, we can use the if-error formula to wrap up our VLOOKUP and give a custom output for the error. Let's say we will use 0 to replace any errors in our lookup. Now it shows 0 for Test B for Lisa, and the total is now calculated correctly as well. We can also use an empty cell to replace the error, just like this. We can also put other text such as check for the error. And next, we'll talk about the is-error function. It is used to test if a value is an error and return a Boolean value. For example, we have is-error to examine the total score. It will return true if it is an error. We can wrap the is-error function in an if formula. For example, if it is an error, it's true. If it's not an error, it will return has score. And here we are. Alright, so this is how to handle errors in Google Sheets.